What are you doing, young man? I'm enjoying this. Yeah. The mind boggles, boys, eh? Go ahead. Not right, not right, not right. Yeah, it works it. You're absolutely right, but you've got to do something first.
Is it something to do with this here?
No, yeah, leave that button alone. Don't touch that button. It boots up if you haven't got weight on it. So what you got to do is take them over cages off, please. Yep, take them off. And then you put that seat on its back. That's you. You got to take that little cap off there. Yeah, take the cap off. Don't just pull it off. Pull it off. The cap, the wee plastic cap. There's your good boy. Okay, now you drop that cap on the floor for the time being. And then what you do is this here. Turn that round. You put that like that. You do this. And then you pop that in here and you line up your wee screws. Then you look for the screws that are sitting here. And you put the screws inside. There, look, using your driver. See it there? Yep. See where it says front? I would assume that means front. So there you go. All right, so what you got to do is you got to... by the way, this is the last day of before they go off on Christmas. We're just having a bit of crack here. We're only messing around. We're not doing any construction work today, are we, boys? So we're just taking it easy and having a bit of a laugh. So what I'm going to do is there wee screw packs come with it? No. There is, Charlie. You've got to use machine screws. You've got to look for the screws. Odds are they're in the box. Okay, so if you go look in the box or in the bag, they'll be attached to a bag or a box. They will be there, 100%. Sometimes what they do is they glue them inside or put them inside here, which they aren't. But you'll find there'll be screws there somewhere. And they are machine screws, by the way. I will just go and get the necessary uniform for today while we're doing this on camera. So, cut. I hate Christmas because I have to send people home and I have to pay them. Holiday pay. Oh, I hate having... See, you all, you deserve one holiday a year. It's a bloody joke, you assholes. I mean... I suppose it's the wrong way around, is it? Bah humbug? Humbug bah? Which one is it? How do I do it? Bah humbug, not humbug bah. Anyway, did you find them?
No.
Not in any of the box? So what are these? What are these? Charlie? These? I'm not looking! Oh, you thought you would trick me. He thought it... What? Where was I brought? Was I brought up in a ban in a bubble? No, I bloody well wasn't. I was manufactured in a factory. Well, that's what my mum said about me. You were manufactured. I never gave birth to you. Well, she didn't say that, actually. I just made that up. I just made that up fully. I mean, she never said any of that. I'd like to think I am quite machiney. Come closer. How long have you been looking for screws? 2 minutes?
I've got nearly all of them.
Have you? Are they machine screws? No, they won't. What's that, Joe? What's that, Joe?
Yeah, but that's only
Go ahead, look there, Ruim. Yeah, what? What?
They're different shirts.
What? How long? Have I not just found a solution?
No, you have.
And now you're asking me to find another solution to something that's not been made yet? I love that, you know. You find one there, find screws there too? Oh, MG. You can actually take them handrails off. The handrail screws. And use them for here. But here, that's what we're using here. Use the white ones. Go ahead and use that one here. And put it on there, please. And I'll get you the screws. Where are you putting it to the front? Where does it say to the front? Yeah? Here you go. You boys. Where's you boys? Can't find the hole. There's a saying, and it's quite crude. If there was hair around it, you'd find it. It's an old Apprentice piece. Hi guys, we're not being rude or crude. It's just that's what I see if you get on the what do you call it? Charlie, we need to get you to find out and establish, by the way, before you go, you need to establish that you haven't broken that cable. My advice is you don't drive it in. My advice is you hand screw it in first and then drive it down. Go ahead and do the other one. Now, if the reason that you're finding it hard to get the hole... Hi guys, sorry to interrupt you. A lot of you are not subscribed to my channel. You're getting the beauty of watching my videos, but I do need your subscriptions. Please like, subscribe, and always click the alert button. If you're finding it hard to get hole, don't screw anything down tight until you've actually placed all the holes, because it makes it really hard for you to manipulate. Now, if you do it now, you can play with the holes, and the holes are easier. Just make sure you hand screw them in and then tighten them down together once they've all got their hole. Is that one tight? Because I have a funny feeling you put it on an angle. And yeah, so. Ejector seat. Go ahead and make sure you press the button. Press the button underneath. There's a, pull that up, lever. Pull the lever. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, you go yup, and you go down. Probably doesn't fit me. I think it says doesn't take a load of any more than 2 tons. So I might break this. I bet you do. Oh, that's actually here. That's good there. Hi and welcome to the news. I am Big Al and you are Little Joe, and you're Medium Charlie.
Oh no.
Would you like to sit in my lead, Joe, and tell me what you want for Christmas? You sure?
Yeah.
You know that one with the Apprentice video? That one there with him making the cement? Now, it didn't do so well on hits, guys, so to all my viewers, I'm disappointed in you that you did not support my little lad, Charlie. I mean, you tell him, Charlie, you give off about it.
It's disgusting, to be honest with you.
How many views? 400 views you've had after a week?
And the video a week before got nearly 200,000 and I got 400. So that just shows you've got more subscribers than I got views.
What's going on here? Why are you not supporting my Apprentice? I mean, Joe's going to do some as well, how to cut wood. Isn't that right, Joe? We're going to get our Apprentices to do wee shows. We're going to get them to do that. Joe's going over to do roof work in the new year. I was talking to John, by the way. We're kind of in this mode today. It's our last day. Today is Friday, isn't it, guys? And it's our last day today, to be honest with you. And we're not really in the mood to do anything. This is a flap around day, really, isn't it? I mean, I caught them hiding in the garden shed. You know what I mean? It was funny. They were cleaning it up. Aye. Do you believe that? Look down at them. Ask him, Roween, are you being honest? Don't listen to Charlie. He lies through his teeth. They were high. It was raining though, wasn't it? It was pretty bad. Is that all 4 screws done before you done that? Because are you sure now? 100%, Joe? That's okay. Just because I don't want it going on camera. Me friggin' coming off and I go, Joe did that! I actually should get you to sign that, Joe.
Sign it?
Yeah, just in case I come off it.
No. Sure problem.
Ooh! Ooh! Is that my problem now? You see that? You sit on it? No. Go ahead.
No.
Sit on it.
Your problem.
It's your problem that if it falls off. Go ahead. Drop her down. Oh, look at you. You're like a pro. Right, put it around the back there, please. That's going to be our new chair. Are we doing the green one? It looks like it's been sunburnt. Yeah. Doesn't it? Maybe that's, you know what, I'll have that for me then. What do you think? No, we're going to keep one for spare. We'll use that one and I'll put it in the middle. And I'll have an argument for and against. We'll actually do a test. Actually, go ahead and build that one as well, will you? We'll build that one as well, right? And then we'll do a test subject. So we'll have guest A, guest B, and Big Al in the middle, right? Oh, we were looking for the screws. We couldn't find the screws, Alan. These are my heroes.
Not that way, look. Not that way. No.
Oh, Joe worked it out. Oh, I can't believe that. I was hoping you'd put it together. I was just telling the camera that they were getting it wrong. And then you went, oh, no, that way. Ah, crap. Yeah, I was waiting for you to make a mistake, but you didn't. Yeah, because it's good for the camera. It's good for the showmanship. Where are we? Good for the showmanship. That's actually easy to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Driver. That'd actually be a great pull-up bar. Put that up on the thing. It's a good pull-up bar. Yeah. You put that up on the ceiling. Is that not right? That'd be a good pull-up bar. Yeah. We could actually do this. You ready? Watch me do the pull-ups. We should actually get, what do you think? We should actually do you guys to lift me. Both, lift me.
Yeah, that's easy, yeah.
What?
Quite light.
We could do it. We could do it. We could do it. When I go like this here. No? I wonder could I actually do it like this here, look. Right, you ready? No, it doesn't work. Is that done yet? Why not? Alright, okay. Sit on it, see if it works. No, not that way. Up, up. Well, that's squeaking. I don't like squeaky. JCB squeaky. Ooh. Look at that. I think that's great, isn't it? Yeah. You like? Well, is it because I'm so fat that you can't see? Is that what you're suggesting, Joe? We, the Council of Apprentices. Actually, no. We, the Council of Apprentices, will rule the world. And that's it. There we go. What do you think? Is it all right? Does it look a bit stupid? Does it look a bit crushed? Right, okay, let's do a tidy up, guys. And then we'll put that other stuff in there. Okay, well, listen, guys, that's our mess around for the day. You're going to go back and you're going to do some editing. You get the blooper done. Lights out, and please remember to like and subscribe. I was told by my daughter, I'm not allowed to say, please like and subscribe and follow. So I have to say, please like and subscribe and click the alert button. And then walk off.